Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. So how you keeping, Christina? You okay?
Pardon?
How you keeping? You okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine, thank you, yeah.
Great. How's weather? You from London, nah?
Yeah, London, yeah.
How's weather in London?
Cold.
Oh, it's freezing here as
Where's that?
Leeds, Bradford,
Leeds. Oh, okay.
or the north.
Yeah.
So it's different weather here then.
Okay.
Okay. I'm not sure Phil will join us or not, but we'll wait. We'll recap. Do you remember what we learned during our last lesson?
I know you spoke about what is it again?
Yes, you remember anything?
I think you talk about budgeting.
Yes.
Yeah, I know you talk about that.
Uh,
Difference. Is it FA and FM? Financial accounting, financial management.
what is the difference between financial accounting and financial management?
Um, that's not the one. Is it with ebooks? No.
Hmm. Financial management is a internal accounting, internal reporting, and financial accounting is external, and financial management internal. Like we make profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement for external user normally.
Yeah.
Like the Trillion company recently been liquidate, is going to be liquidation. Lot of news on BBC, and they used to publish the report. Those are called financial reports.
Okay.
And financial management is an internal report. Normally outsider can't see the reports. Thus internal management use those reports to make internal decisions about where they will invest, how much they will invest, where the money will come from, and those sort of things. And those normally deal with the costing, reporting, and things. So during the last lesson we discussed financial accounting is a management accounting internal, financial accounting reports every 12 months we must need to publish by law. Under the management accounting or financial management we don't need to publish the reports, and there is a not compulsory to publish. If we want to publish, that's fine, otherwise we don't need to.
To be honest, I feel like I'm gonna find this hard. I'm not really good at accounting. I'm not good with numbers.
No, don't worry, because the reason we need to write lot of theory, and I'll go through and we'll solve the problem together.
Oh, we can solve the problem together.
Yes, we'll solve the problem together. Okay. That's your assignment brief.
Yeah.
And finance for managers, you're employed in a consultancy firm, your client, and you have to write about process of written document to the board of directors. So we need to look around why we need to keep the record, like financial accounting system, those I explain you, and analyze the techniques regarding the financial information, and it's illegal. Sorry, we just need to explain about like those are the financial statement, help us start then, like in term of profit and loss, balance sheet, and those which we can find online, and I already sent you the book Okay, then stakeholder, I discuss, stakeholder could be internal and external stakeholders.
Yeah.
Internal stakeholder, those are within a company. External, those are outside. Stakeholder mean anybody who has any interest within our organization called stakeholder.
Yeah.
Yep. Every stakeholder have a different. Uh, I'll send you one. Will a bit recap as well. Stakeholder mapping document. I'll give you as you can use within your assignment. And between management and financial accounting, like I already explained you,
Mhm.
and budget and budgetary control. Did we
Yeah.
discuss during our last lesson budget and budgetary control?
I can't remember.
Okay, no problem.
Like the
So
questions, the
yes,
the questions will be okay, but as in the accounts bit, the accounts part.
okay,
I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna find that hard because.
no problem. I will help you to solve the problems.
Okay.
Okay, so no stress, no worries. I'll teach you and we'll go through. Okay, because you don't need to be too much worried about accounting numbers. Okay, because the reason we are learning very basic. It's not a purely accounting course where
Yeah.
we just need to learn, what could be.
Okay.
Okay, that's all really, which I'll go through with you during our lessons as well.
Okay then. I wanted to ask you a quick question. The marketing.
Yes.
Can can you? Is it you that took? Are you gonna look over it?
Yes, you can send me. I'll give you the feedback. If anything we need to amend it, I'll help you and guide you and suggest you.
Okay, so by next week, hopefully, I will give it to you. I'll send it across to you.
Yes, please. If you send me, I'll guide you to do reference. I'll guide you where you can pick the thing, and I'll send you some article if it need to be critical. Which we could improve it if we need.
Okay.
Any question?
No.
Okay. So today, well done. So during our last lesson, we it's a bit recap. We discuss about accounting system. You can include the definition in your own words. You can write as well. I already sent you the book as well, ledgers,
Yeah.
bookkeeping, and data information. What is the difference between them? Financial data, why we need it, data information and knowledge, how help companies. Information is already been explained. Internal source of external source within these slides. When you go through these slides, it will be all everything been explained. Regarding the question one, most of the things been covered.
Mhm.
These slides. So yes, during our last lesson, we already discussed about budget. Budget is a financial plan which is expressed in financial and other quantitative terms. And I discuss about types of budget. One lesson go through cash budget. I'll send you the template. We will fill it and you can include within your assignment as well. And I'll send you the chapter of the book. This will cover. You can just rewrite in your own words and put the reference. Is it okay? Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Hello, Christina. You okay? Are you hearing me? Can you hear me? Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Okay. Just I'm waiting for you. Hello. So today we'll go through the task 2 as well. I'll show you how we can calculate it. We have given the sale revenue. Direct labor is required 1 hour. Clear?
Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, we'll go through. Okay, task 2 in your assignment, which is a numerical which we need to calculate.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to calculate. I'll show you how to calculate. Okay.
Okay.
You look there, task 2, the business is carried out some calculation on the setup and the following information relating to the main product was produced. Okay, now we have a sale revenue. Sale revenue mean the selling price per units or sale value of the units. Okay, so 62 pound is a selling price per unit, and it's required 22 pound to produce 1 unit. It's required 20 pound worth of the material. It's required 6 pound of overhead cost. It means the the rental cost or the rent which we are paying, which is a fixed 6 pound each unit. So when we add them together, 22 for 20, that make 42. 48 pound is required to produce 1 unit. And how much we are selling? 62. 2 minus 42, 48 will be 12 plus 2. 14 pound is our profit. Does it make sense? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what did you do? 20?
Sorry?
20, what's that? 22?
Yes.
Plus 22 plus 20
Yes.
plus 6.
Yes. So that make you 48.
Okay.
So how much I'm selling?
62.
So my profit will be
14. How did you get the 14?
okay. Is it my okay? Look there.
Yeah.
62 I'm selling. 62 minus 48.
Oh, okay. 14.
Yes, my profit will be
14.
yes. So my profit will be 14.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So now they're saying the budgeted output last month was how many units?
1,000.
1000 units. So we budget this cost based on the 1000 unit. Actually, how much we produce?
1,100.
1100. And which were sold, how much we sold?
69,900.
Okay, we'll do. I'm going to prepare sheet for you. I'll explain you as well. So we'll prepare new sheet. And now we can look around as well. I'll insert some tables. Okay. I can write here descriptions listed per unit. Yes. Listed production, or we can say budgeted output and actual cost per unit, or we can say actual per unit instead of actual cost. Okay, and total. for actual production. I can add one more column there. Total budgeted and we'll go through variance. Variance is mean the difference between the budgeted and actual. Okay. Variance mean is the difference what I budget, what actually I spend. Okay. So first is selling price per unit 62. Labor we'll check from assignment. So labor is labor 22 pound per hours. Then material 1 kg. Are you getting me? Yes.
Yeah.
Material and next we have fixed overhead. Fixed overhead, that's 6. Okay. Actual production we budgeted production 1000 units. Yes. So we can times by 1000 unit, that will be 62,000. And max budgeted output. So actually how much we produce, how many units? 1100. Yes. So if I multiply with 1100, 62. If I multiply with we have a calculator, we can use the calculator, is good to use. So I'll go through this question with you and I'll send you as well. So 22.
You have to do it like this.
Yes, 22 times 1100. Yes. 242,000. 242. Yes. 24,200. And this should be 62,000. Is it? So it's good to be you do sorry. Always do is better to use the calculator. Is sometimes less. So my calculation was wrong. So it should be 100,200. Yes. Because I just times by I was thinking is 1,000 unit. Now I'm need to be because actually we produce 1100 units. Okay, next material 1100 units, that will be 22,000. Clear? 6 times 1100, that will be 6600. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Let's will look now what they're asking. So actually, we produce 1100 units. Yes,
Yeah.
which we sold. We sold it 69900 divided by 1100. What will be my per unit?
So you sold 69,900.
Yes, divided by 1100 units. It's coming 63.65 pence per unit.
Okay.
Hold it, each unit. I'll do again. Total value of the sales is
Mhm.
69,900 divided by, for how many units? 1100 units.
Okay.
So I sold it each unit actually 3 point. So price I sold 55 pence per unit. Okay. How much labor cost me per unit? So that's I'll save first. We don't want to be lose the document. I'll send you this, that's actual task you're supposed to do. Okay.
Pardon?
This actual task you're supposed to do in assignment. Okay.
Okay.
Showing you, and then you can include within your assignment this, huh? And this is your task too. Okay.
Okay. I should finish it. I should finish it off.
Yes, just yes, I'll finish. Look there. Now, how much labor actually I used? Worth of labor cost me 24,420
Mhm.
pound divided by 1100. What
Mhm.
per unit is 22 pound 2 pence.
Okay.
So labor cost me 22 pound 2 pence per unit. And then I'll go through next now. Next is this is my actual cost. Okay.
Okay.
It cost me 2300 to 60 divided by 1100. Cost me 21 pound 15 pence.
15. Okay.
So 1 pound 15 pence. Fixed overhead. I paid 6400
Mhm.
divided by 1100 units. That cost me 5 pound and 82 pence. 5 pound and 82 pence.
Okay.
Okay. Now think which one is a better. I budget 62 pound. I will sell. I sold it.
Mhm.
63 pound and
55 pence.
5 pence.
Mhm.
So how much my sale value was? I can copy now this value of the sale. This was 69.
69.
Sorry, that's when I document open. So is there. Okay. Next I have labor cost me
24,420.
and material cost me
23,216.
the rest is okay. Now we have okay. That's okay. Now
Is that budget right? Fixed overhead.
yes, we need to calculate the variance. Okay.
Okay.
Variance is mean the difference between the budgeted. We budget with the rate of £62,
Yeah.
£22, £20, and £6 each unit. When we actually, instead of 10,000 unit, we produce it 11,000 units.
Okay.
And 1100 unit, the total standard cost which we make the standard with the £62. Actually, we sold it with
66.
we sold it with 60. Sold it with 60. Okay, now take the difference. This 6800 to 68,200. 68,200 minus 69,900. How much is the difference there?
1,700.
1,700. Okay. If you was expecting 6,800 to 68,200, but actually you received 69,900, is it in your favor or is it against? Is it good for you or bad? Is it good for you or bad?
Is it bad?
No, it's good for you.
It's good.
You're supposed to be sale value supposed to be 68,200, but actually your sale value is 69,900. So that this variance is in your favor. So we call favorable variance.
Okay.
Then there your labor. If you look labor,
Yeah.
your labor is how much?
24,200.
You're supposed to spend 24,200.
Yeah.
So we'll see. 24,200 minus you paid 24,420 pound. Yes.
Yeah.
How many pound you paid extra?
220 minus 220.
Yes, 220 pound is called adverse. Yes, that's adverse. It means you paid more than your budget.
Okay.
Next, you plan to pay 2,200. Sorry, 22,000. Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, you paid 23,200.
260.
So your variance is adverse.
1,260.
Yes, adverse 1,060 is adverse. Yes.
Yeah.
And next now. And do your yes, you budgeted £6 each unit fixed cost. That's supposed to be 6,600. Actually, oh, it's the same figure. Just 1 second. Why is the same figure? should be 6,400. Just 1 second. 5.82 times 1100. Oh, it's given here. 6,400. So actual fix overhead how much for?
6,000. 6,400.
Yes, it should be 6,400. Is a given, okay?
Yeah.
Actually is a given. So now 6,400. So 6,600 we supposed to spend. I spend it 6,400. Is it in my favor? Yes, I'm spending less than
Yes,
200
it's in your phone.
is favorable.
Yeah.
Now so let's we'll do here. We can calculate the cost here. All these figures as a budgeted, and we can do the total. Okay.
Okay.
The total cost of 1,100 unit according to budget. So 24,200 plus 22,000. And that's supposed to be 52,800.
52,800.
Why not typing 52? $52,800. Okay. Let's well do this one. So 2,420 plus 23,260 plus 6,400. So that is
50,080.
50,080. So my 800. Overall my variance is 1,200.
1380.
Overall variance is 128 is adverse. Okay.
Okay.
As overall cost, I paid more. So if you look this variance, individually I paid £200 more, £220 on labor. I paid extra.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I paid it 1,200 plus I paid £1,260 extra towards my material, and then I save 200 on my fixed cost. Take out 200, so overall is £1,280. Yes.
Yeah.
I can overall is my total, and this is reconcile, which is equal. Now I'll see my profit. What is my profit? Okay. Profit. So how much will be? It cost me, budget my cost was 52,800. Yes.
Yeah.
and minus my 68,200 my sale value. Sorry, it's less, so I'll do again. 1,200 minus here my 52,800 and my profit 15,400 should be my profit. Yes.
Okay.
I'll see here. Actual my profit is 69,900 my value of sales, less my cost 4,080. So actually 1,820. Yes.
Yeah.
So how much I earn more than my budget.
Yeah.
My budget was profit 15,400. I earn it 15,800. So my profit overall is 4,420 is my saving because I earn it more profit than my budgeted. Does it make sense?
Yes, it makes sense.
My overall sale difference was 1,700 difference,
Yeah.
and my variance was adverse, which I'll supposed to take out 1,280, and my difference will be 420, which is a reconcile. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this way, that's your question really we need to, and now is this is your answer is ready.
Okay.
Does it make sense to you?
Pardon?
Is it make sense to you?
Yeah, it does. It's like it's, you know. Yeah.
Okay, that's all really we need to do. That's your total. I highlighted. That's really we need to calculate, which we have calculated just now,
Yeah.
and I can highlight. That was my yes, that was my cost, and that was my sales.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can see normally in a business, sale value minus total cost will give me profit. Yes,
Yeah.
that's my profit.
Okay.
Question?
Pardon?
Any question?
No.
Now next are next thing which we'll go through during our next lesson, but we can overview a bit. Next topic we supposed to discuss with the LO3. We have covered. Okay. Next now we're looking. So one of our document close. Okay, we'll go through next now in assignment. Task 3 is about investment appraisal. Okay,
Okay.
which we'll go through during our next lesson.
Yeah.
We have a 2 project. We have a how many years, much is the machine value, which I'll go through. And we need to calculate things we have to calculate.
Yeah.
IIR, these are called investment appraisal. Do you know what is meant by appraisal?
I've done it. but to be honest, I can't remember.
Okay, are you working somewhere?
Am I where?
Do you work
Yeah, I work part time.
or you work part time? Okay,
Yeah.
end of the year they do a appraisal.
Okay.
End of the year they check your performance. You perform well or not?
Okay.
Yes, your company. That's called a appraisal. Appraisal means the checking the performance. So when we are looking the investment appraisal, it means we are checking the pound we'll invest it, how much I'm gaining out of it.
Okay.
Some projects give you more profit, some projects give you less profit.
Okay.
So we need to decide which project I will invest. You can invest in a property business, you can invest in a shares, you can deposit the money in a bank account. All give you interest, but you need to think about which option you will go. This will give you more return,
Okay.
more quicker and secure investment.
Yeah.
So investment appraisal is a business concept which consists of future income derived from an investment.
Okay.
So investment appraisal, we look the potential or investment options. So in your assignment, you can write what is meant by investment appraisal is a business concept which consists of future income derived from our investment.
Okay.
Investment appraisal method, we normally use the techniques called payback period.
Okay.
Payback period mean how much we will invest and how much money we will get, and when we will get back.
Okay.
If I'll invest £100 and end of the year I'll get £20 every year back, how long will takes me to cover my £100?
Yeah.
How many years?
Pardon?
How many years will takes me to cover my £100 if a bank pay me £20 every year back?
If your bank account pays you £20 every year back,
Yes. Bank £100. How long will takes me to cover my £100?
not 5 years.
Yes, well done. 5 years. So that 5 years is my payback period.
Okay.
So if other banks say you, I will give you £25 every year back.
Yeah.
How long will takes you to cover £100?
So, £25.
Yes,
Is that 4 years?
4 years. So which one is better for you?
It's not 4.
4 years is a better because I'm getting money quick, my money back.
Yeah.
So that's all is a payback period.
Okay.
So I'm looking my option where I will invest. Which option is best for me?
Um.
Okay.
Okay.
The second is called discounted payback.
Yeah.
Okay. If I'll say to you, I'll give you £25 today,
Mhm.
or other banks say you, I will give you £25 end of the year. So which option you will take?
Give you payback today or end of the year?
No, I will say I will give you every year advance £25. Other banks say you, I will give you end of the year £25. So which one is the better for you?
Uh.
Advance one or end of the year?
Maybe advance.
Yes, advance is a better because why you wait 1 year?
Yeah.
Because you don't know the money you get after 1 year, £25. It won't be the same value the money you get today.
Yeah.
Always looking the inflation, we are looking the interest rate, we're looking uncertainty risk. So that's why the see the what is the real value of the money will be.
Okay.
Okay. Net present value is a method where we're looking value of the money. The pound we have at today, the pound after 5 years it won't be the same value.
Yeah.
The value of the money is depreciate, is decrease.
Okay.
Goods which we used to buy last year, we can't buy the same good value of in £100 today. The
Okay.
prices increase and the value of the money drops.
Okay.
That's we need to use in net present value method to assess it.
Okay.
Internal rate of return is mean what you're expecting,
Mhm.
what you budget, what you actually getting and what you budget for it.
Okay.
Which will go through internal, and sensitivity analysis mean how much risk you have. Prob is called probability. Probability means chance of occurrence. What are the chances? What are the risks?
Okay.
So which will go through. Break even is a point where no profit, no return.
Mhm.
Accounting rate of return mean how much average I'm getting in a year.
Yeah.
Which will go through next lesson. These methods, which is our LO3.
Okay.
Every method have a own advantage and disadvantage. No one
Mhm.
is a perfect method, but which will go through each. So you can read these slides that give you idea, and during our next lesson we'll do practical activities then.
Okay then.
Any question?
So, no. So task
And
2,
yes,
have we done that?
yes, task 2 I done, and you just need to little bit explain what is a budgeted, what is a variance, which I'll send you the slides as well.
Okay then. So task 1, we just have to do task 1. So we've done task 2. So it's task 3 now.
Yes, task 3 and 4 left,
Okay.
which we'll cover in next 2 lessons.
Okay then.
Any question?
No. I'm getting there with practice.
Are you getting? Yes?
Yeah.
So no stress about accounting, okay? Be relaxed.
Okay. Thank
Okay?
you.
Because
Yeah.
a lot of people, number is a just it's not a difficult number. We're just doing day in and out, the business which we're doing in our real life as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you very much. So when's our next lesson?
Uh, okay. What is a convenient time for you? I think so. I mix
Uh,
up.
can it be next week Friday?
Yes, we can do Friday. What time?
Is it the same time? Is it 6:30?
Okay, no problem. We'll do lesson 6:30 Friday.
Yeah.
And I'll book it.
Okay then.
Okay. Have a nice weekend.
And you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Welcome. Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.
Mommy.